Hey boys and girls, happy Wednesday! This week we are studying all about the different winter holidays that people celebrate. And yesterday you decided to do a little bit of learning about Kwanzaa. Today you're going to do the same thing that you did yesterday, but for Hanukkah and Christmas. Then, once you are done with that activity, I have a Holidays Around the World web quest I'm going to briefly explain to you right now. But before you start this, you have to finish your Hanukkah and Christmas questions on Schoology, just like you did with Kwanzaa. So you have a little bit of background knowledge on all of them. So I'm going to post this today, but know that this is your work for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday ELA. And you will also be required to do iReady. So yes, we're going to have some fun learning about the holidays around the world, but I would like you to continue on iReady. So once you have done your questions, you can start this today. It is not due until Friday, but this is what you're going to be doing for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday after your Kwanzaa or after your Hanukkah and Christmas questions. So I have this uploaded and posted onto our ELA folder. It's Holidays Around the World. And if you look, it has two websites right here where you will find all your information. Now, boys and girls, a web quest is a little higher level thinking. What a web quest is, you are required to answer questions or maybe draw a picture or describe something. And I cannot tell you where to find it except for on one of these two websites. So a web quest is kind of like a scavenger hunt on the computer. So you have to go and find all the little details to find your answers. So here's what we have. We have Christmas, and there are 16 questions. However, up at the top, it says choose to do all the odd numbers or all the even. So you do not have to do all 16. You could do odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Or you could do evens, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So that's for Christmas. Hanukkah, the same exact thing. You can choose to do all the odd numbers or all the even numbers. And then for Kwanzaa, you can choose to do all the odd numbers or all the even numbers as well. Now, what Mrs. Davis has done is I have 3 pieces of paper right here, and I have labeled each one. Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa. Okay, and I went ahead and just showed you Hanukkah. I skipped a couple lines and I just wrote my odds one, but it's completely up to you what numbers you do. So you're going to have 3 organized papers that are each numbered nice and neat, just like Mrs. Davis has here. Okay, again, 3 pages organized nice and neat like this. One with the name of Hanukkah, one with Kwanzaa, one with Christmas. Okay, now in order to find these answers, you will go to the websites that I've got you familiar with the past 2 days. So let's say we would like to start with Christmas. You can do it in any order you want, but they just have to be labeled on that page. So make sure all of Christmas is on one page, all of Hanukkah is on one page, and all of Kwanzaa. Or you might need to use a second page, which is fine. So it's like a little booklet that you're going to have. Okay, so let's say we go to Christmas, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my website. And sometimes it won't let you, and you say allow, and it will let you. Again, you might need to download the latest Flash, which I think as of right now, everyone's is working. So that brings you up to this website. Click Christmas. And then it has all different things and activities and reading about to learn about. Of course, if you hit there, it takes you to the next slide about Christmas. So if I go back to my Christmas questions, and let's just say I am doing evens, and I already answered 2, and I'm going to go down to number 4. It says list 3 facts describing the story of Santa Claus. Well, I'm going to go back to my Christmas, and I am going to think, I don't know.
Decorate the Christmas tree.
Here is Santa Claus.
Santa.
And I think that's probably where I'm going to find the information about Santa Claus. So I'm going to click on it, and then it tells me information about Santa that I can read or it can speak.
Santa Claus is one of the most popular symbols of the holiday.
Okay, so once I get that information, I'm going to transfer it in my own words. I do not want you to write all of this word for word. I want you to choose in your own words what to write. You'll go back to your Christmas paper and write it. Again, if you're doing evens, you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so forth. Alrighty, so if I click out of that, and I can go to number 6, draw a cookie cutter in a holiday shape. Well, if I go back to, I see right here is a
cookie cutter.
And we all know what cookie cutters look like, but you can learn about it, and then you're going to draw me your own cookie cutter on your paper that you submit, okay? These will be due by Friday, so once you are done, you can take 3 pictures and submit it to me, or you can take a picture and send it to me on Dojo. You can use lined paper if you would like it to be more of some type of a poster. It's completely up to you, but this is a web quest that you can use. Have fun with it, and just learn a lot about it. This will be done after you finish today's Hanukkah and Christmas assignments. And so for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you have this, and then I'll add to my ready tomorrow and Friday. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you tomorrow at 10:30 for our morning meeting. We are doing a show and tell. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon. Okay. Talk to you later.